Alright, I'm assuming you read the title of this video, but if you haven't, I am going to be being a noob in Buildable for Treasure. I'm not actually a noob, you can see all my stuff right here. I'll let you just look at it all for a bit, I'll keep chat open too. I know, you want to keep looking at my stuff, okay? You know, yeah, I have a little bit of metal. Yep, keep looking, keep looking. Keep on looking. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna speed through it a little bit. You can keep looking if you want. Totally not flexing my items or anything. Alright, that's my stuff. 24 portals, yes, deal with it. Alright, so this one is going to be a smart noob episode. Obviously I do have the nerd, which means, yeah, I guess that could correspond to it, I guess. But basically I'm going to be a noob who knows how to play the game. Kind of. And also, not like, when you place a wood block, I'm not gonna say, OMG, so cool! Basically, let's do it. Can I join someone's team? Hopefully black team's gonna let me on. There's 2 people there, which makes things better. And also, they're the only ones really talking, beside this guy who literally just yawned and said, Z-U-L. I know what that means. I just don't want to go on that team because they probably don't even speak English. Hello. Hello. Please, can I join someone's team? Alright, I'm gonna just. Hello. Please. Hello. Let me on your team. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Let me on. Yeah. Alright, so we're experiencing lag right now. That makes it all the much better. The worse you are at the game, the laggier you are. So yeah, it's a plus. Hello. Please let me on. No. Let me try joining. Please let me on. Hello. Alright, we'll stop doing the voice. It's probably boring now. You're probably not laughing. Yay, I'm on. Alright. Let's see. Also, with the smart noob, he doesn't press cannons and just launch them at people, not knowing what they do. He respects boundaries. These people are gonna be lucky. Alright, hopefully I get permission to add some wood to it. Hello. Ooh. Alright. Now, I know that noobs get 6 wood, a car seat, and a mortar, but I'm a smart noob. I know not to put car seats on. Yeah, that's all I really got. So yeah, I'm playing it smart. Oh come on, he joined. This is not going to end well. I can say that for sure. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna sit here and I'll talk for a bit. First of all, I want to thank you all for 160 subscribers. Like, that's insane. I tried getting there by the end of this week. I mean, I wasn't that far away. Considering my subscriber growth, I was gonna get there. But like 160 is insane for me. That was like faster than I expected. So I can see if you have public subscriptions on, I can see that you're subscribed. So if I do make another shout out video, I made one before, but that was a year ago, and like half, well, over half of, barely anyone here watching was there for that. So I might make another one. But then in a year's time from making this video, if you're seeing this a year ago, that means that, I mean, you probably saw, I guess. But I don't even know what I'm saying. Basically, if you're watching this a year after it's released, I might make another shout out video. And barely any of you will have seen the shout out video I might make this year. That took a long time to get out. I can tell you love Poland. You're literally the Poland flag. Look, I don't know my flags, but you're literally using white and red everywhere. Your skin color is red. Oh my god. I'm just a little glasses boy. My name is Glasses. I'm gonna sit here. Yay, me happy. Well, that's my friend. He has pay to win jets, and he always does that. So. I think my friend managed to. Don't mess my operation up. Oh my god. No, no, no. No, no, no. Let me on. Let me on. I guess I'm. My god. Like, I'm gonna just sit here. This might work, I guess. So I'm just sat here on my journey. This gives me a bit of elevation. Hey, at least they're a shield for me. So yeah, you can take all the hits. I'm gonna sit here and watch as you do that. Oh my god. Why do I have to be here? My seat is taking damage. Be further in front of me. No, not further in front of me. Be further to the right. You need to be on the right. Look, I'm gonna die. This is probably not entertaining. Alright, 36 gold from that, nice. Yes, I have times 2 gold, deal with it. I have Robux that I spent on this game. So, there's a lot of soums in this, but there's not really much to do here. I mean, we have two no-brainers over here. So I'm gonna load a quick build of mine. Yeah, it's not that big of a build. Yeah, it's not that big. Yeah, this build's quite small, if I'm being honest. Yeah. Nothing un-noob-like here. Alright, so now we're just gonna be trolling people for another 5 minutes. Just a small car. Alright, yeah, I forgot you can, like, actually knock people over. I didn't knock anyone over, though. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah, I knocked that guy to oblivion. Oh my god, he's at the spawn of red team. And then this girl's just, like, in the wheels, I guess. Bro, get off. You're gonna press a cannon, I just know it. Get off before I go full speed ahead. You leave me no choice but to press B. Alright, finally she's off. Alright, look, I'm gonna just turn over real quick. Take that. You can't press a cannon if there's no cannons that you see. Oh my god. It's that heavy that it doesn't even flip over. Alright, so I'm currently messing with these people, obviously. Why is this going so fast now? I don't understand it. Oh, that's why. The magnets are on. I forgot about that one, not gonna lie. Oh. Why'd you do that to me? Just a quick build. This is literally when your friend says I'll be on for 5 more minutes on Minecraft. Alright. I just told him he can mess around, I guess. These poor souls. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm just driving around in a rammer. And it's probably not even entertaining for you. You're probably not even up to here. Probably talking to myself at this point. Alright, enough talking. Goodbye, and then I'll do the classic outro. I guess.